Hello, people of the world. This is Sherry Lamis from Niagara Falls, Ontario, with my husband Richard Labro and our fur baby named Dory. And we are proud digital business owners. Learn how to start a successful digital business, a business that you can make difference in your life. Richard and I spend quality time because of this digital business. Both of us, we love to create memories for our lifetime. We are always happy together because we have freedom of time. In this business, we can do this business anywhere at any time. When we are together, we have everything. Dory makes us happy all the time. That's why we started this own business, because we want to spend time together and create memories. Richard and I were looking forward to live comfortably in our golden years. We started this online business because we believe this will help us to live big and live comfortably in our golden years. This is Sherry Lamis and Richard Labro. We are proud digital business owner. Please connect with us at www.sherrylamis.com and learn how to start your own digital business.